In JavaScript, we have the functions as the fundamental building blocks. Our function can be named, so that means we have some name assigned to the function. So we have here the function, and then we name the function. So let's say greet is the function name. Then we have some parameters. It's a name, and then we return something from that function. So we have the return, and what do we want to return? We want to say hi, and then we want to use that variable name, and that would be the variable name here. And then I want to print or use that function for now. So I will use the name of the function, and then I will provide the parameters to that function. So here in my case, it's KT. Let's say it will say hi, KT. So the function defined has to be called each time, and that's how we're doing now. We're using this name of the function, and we can also store this in some variable. So let's say greet is the variable name here, and I will erase this one. So this will do the same thing, but in this case we are assigning this function to this variable name. And there is something called the arrow function. So in this case, we do not have to write this function. We will directly do this equal to and the sign. That's greater than sign. So this again will be the same thing here. This will be the same thing here. And we can also remove this return, and return can be omitted because this is the single expression. So I can just remove this, and I do not need the curly bracket as well. So let's see if this works, and I can change the name here. Let's say John. It should be hi John. And there can be some type of function, such as this one here. Let me write this, which will run as soon as this is called. So for instance, I will print something here. A function runs smoothly, and let's see if this works. And we also have here we have this one, and we can do this at the time on the function. Let's see, and this is the function that just runs as quickly as possible. And we can also assign the something that is as default. So let's again write function, and we have the name of the function here. So let's say greet, and then this will be, there will be something as the default within that function. So within that parameter, we are giving some default value, and I'll say return, and then I will again do this one here, and then I'll say hi, and then we will do the $, write the name of the variable, and let's see if I just call this function as a console.log, and then call this function, that is to use the name of the function and give the curly brackets. This time we are okay. This time we're getting some kind of error. Oh, we haven't done this. There should be this kind of errors. I don't know what this is, but this is a kind of tilde. I don't know. This is the sign, that kind of sign that's above the tab button there in the keyword. And this time we're getting high stranded. But as soon as we provide the name again, let's say Ram is the name here. Now this time I get the name Ram. But if there is no value, then I will get a high stranded, because this is the default value there. And other thing is, okay, let's see. So I just stop this, but there are so many things to learn. So thank you.